Welcome back to another grocery haul. This is a Walmart grocery haul, so I'm going to go through this fairly quickly. It's fairly large. It's for probably about 2 weeks worth of meals, considering leftovers and a couple lunch items and things like that. To get started, we got milk, get some iced coffee, the caramel macchiato one. And this haul's going to be all over the place. I'm trying to get this put up. Jumbo Nathan's crinkle cut fries. One of these 5 cheese breadsticks from the Walmart deli. Those are really good with some pizza sauce. Some real bacon bits. I got some string cheese. Some of these Kobe Jack and turkey sticks for snacks. Some eggs, medium shredded cheese for chili cheese tots. Some stick butter because I'm going to make a Mississippi roast. Dean's French onion dip. I also got a bag of plain potato chips with that. Got some turkey pepperonis for snack. These are for the grill, so one day we will be having the better with cheddar smoked sausages, and they only had this massive pack of them, so I'll probably be able to eat leftovers the next day with those too. For very quick thrown together meals, because we have some busy days coming up, I got a Banquet family size 6 backyard barbecue boneless patties. You literally forget this in the oven for an hour and make some really quick sides with it, and you have a meal. And I got a Salisbury one, which I was actually kind of craving this one, so it's Salisbury. I'm going to make rolls and potatoes with that. And like I said, we got some busy days coming up, so gotta make some quick meals. Same with that. Some all just gravy mixes for the Mississippi roast. A package of the sweet potato Betty Crocker instant potatoes. Got a couple things of raspberries, bread. Got some sweet Hawaiian rolls, some butternut loaf bread, some of the sweet Hawaiian hot dog buns. Also got a pack of the Herner's Sunny Buns, the 12 pack. I'm going to freeze most of those. Also for some quick breakfast items, the Jimmy Dean biscuit, sausage, egg, and cheese. I got 2 salads. I got a chef salad and I got a BLT salad. On the grill, we're going to try these Angus beef burgers. There's 6 patties in here. It goes along with the buns. So now we're at tots for chili cheese tots one night. 2 packages of ground beef. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meals so far. To throw back in the pantry, I got some of these tuna helpers. I got 2 of the tuna creamy broccolis, and I'll either serve these with more broccoli on the side or peas. And Connor, one of his favorites. 2 of these for quick lunches for Connor. The Poppin' Chicken. The mini bags popcorn. That's like one of Connor's favorite snacks. And he likes this ranch seasoning. And I got some croutons, the cheese and garlic croutons. This is also another meal I'm going to try out. The Velveeta Skillets 1-pan dinner kits. All you need is some additional chicken. I got the chicken bacon ranch one, and I did have some fresh meats to share too. And then 2 cans of the original Bush's beans for grilling. So if we're still counting, that is 8 total meals now, and 9 if we want to count this. So it's going to be a full 2 weeks worth of meals. And last but not least, I did grab some meats. We already saw 2 ground beefs, and then I also grabbed the breast strips to cook up for the skillet meal there. And then these are breast portions, just boneless, skinless chicken breast, reduced price there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these exactly yet. And then I got a chuck pot roast. Look at the price on that. Anyways, to make a Mississippi roast. So that is 9, 10, 11, 12, like 12 meals all together. So that is my Walmart grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also have plenty of canned veggies, some frozen veggies, and a bag of potatoes. Also, I had some bananas, but I haven't found them yet, so that's also in here somewhere. So I have all the sides. I just needed the meats and the main parts of the meals. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the grocery haul. Stay tuned for more grocery hauls. Maybe some upcoming in the kitchen videos. There's definitely a what's for dinner coming. So stay tuned. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And check the description box as well as the cards. Thank you so very much for watching.